Good morning, my cute little grade 1 students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. You all are feeling fresh, nice. Minds are all active, ready to study something. Yes? Are you all ready to study? Great. You all are ready to study in your literacy class as well as in other classes, right? Now, which day is it? Today is the fourth day of which week? Yes, this is your 17th week and day is 4. Today is the last day of the week where we are going to learn something because the fifth day is your test day. Every week on your fifth day you have a class test in which everything that you have covered throughout the week you will be assessed from that. You will be having a class test of that. Yes, I hope you all must be knowing that. Great. Now, children, tell me what you did yesterday. You, okay, you played with your siblings. Okay, you played with your brothers or sisters or siblings. What else you did? You studied or you did your homework. Okay, what else? You went for a walk. Okay, and you went for a ride. Okay, what for it? Now, this is whatever you did yesterday. Like whatever happened yesterday and you did yesterday. So did means the actions, whatever actions you did, whatever doing things you did, right? So like you said, you studied, you played, then you rode a bicycle. So these are all what? These are all action words. These are all doing words because they are telling what you people did. And what you did, that means what you did yesterday, right? So that is why you have said you played, you walked, you rode, right? Okay. Now I'm going to show you a picture and you are going to see that picture and you are going to tell me actually what is happening in that picture, like what is going on in that picture. Okay, basically you are going to describe the picture, what is happening. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. Can you all see my screen? Yes. All right, now tell me class, what is happening here in this picture. Okay, you can see that two children are sitting on the swing. All right. Okay. What else? A girl is riding a bike. Okay. What else? A boy is riding a bike. Okay. That means they are all in a, where are they actually? They are in a park, right? So it means that they are playing in the park. Isn't it so? And there is one bird sitting here on top of this hut. So they all are playing in the park. Someone is sitting on the swing, he's riding a bicycle, she's riding a bicycle, and the bird is also sitting on that hut. So that means they were all playing in the park. So what you said, what type of sentences you used? You said that a girl was riding a bicycle, right? A boy was riding a bicycle. Two children were sitting on the swing. Now, in this sentence, two children were sitting on the swing. What is the doing word or the action word? Sitting. Correct. Sitting is the action word. SITTING. Sitting. Now, in the other sentence, the girl is riding a bicycle. What is the action word here? Riding. Correct. RIDING. Riding. And they are all playing in the park. For which one is the doing word or the action word? Playing. Correct. PLAYING. Now, you notice one thing that here what you have used in all these words, what is common in all these words? ing. Correct. The word, they all have ing. Why? Why do you think they all have ing? Because this is what is actually happening right now. Because you were looking at the picture, yes, you were looking, and then you were describing the picture. You were looking at the picture and telling what is happening right now in that picture. So that means that whenever you are talking about something that is happening right now, you are going to use ing. What you are going to use? Ing. Whereas whatever happened before, like in the beginning, I asked you what you did yesterday. You said I played. You said that you did your homework, you played, you rode a bike. Whenever you are talking about something that already happened, what you are going to put, you will add ed at the end. Like I played with my friends yesterday. What you did? I played with my friends or with my siblings yesterday. You have added ed at the end of the sentence, right? Right? Or you can say that I picked that I picked that rock from the park or from the road. I picked that rock from the road yesterday. Picked, you have added ed because that is happening, that has already happened. So children, always remember that whatever you are talking about, if you are talking about something which is happening right now, you are going to use the doing words with ing. Whereas if you're talking about something which has already been happened, which already happened before, so you are going to put ed at the end of the doing words. You got my point? Like suppose I'll show you few words. Now, which is this word? Point. To point something, right? The teacher is pointing at me. Pointing. That means what the teacher is doing right now. Then if I'm talking about the thing which already happened, I will say the teacher pointed at me yesterday. Got it? The teacher pointed at me yesterday. And the teacher is pointing at me right now. So there is a difference, right? One sentence is of present because it is happening right now. The other sentence already happened. Do you understand? You understood my point, okay? Now, the other one is wave, right? Wave. The teacher is waving at me. So, the teacher is waving at me. So, what is this? Waving, ing, I'm using. Why? Because it is happening right now. Whereas if I say, the teacher waved at me last night. The teacher waved at me last night means it is already happened. You understood? You understood my point? Yes? Okay. What is this word here? Clap. Children are clapping in the school. The children are clapping in the school. What the children are doing? They are clapping. Now, if I'm going to use past tense, which already happened, the children clapped in the school yesterday. Do you understand? Here, first sentence was clapping because it is happening right now. In the second sentence, it clapped because it already happened. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now, what is this word? This is again a doing word. Wash. Right? My mom is washing my clothes. My mom is washing my clothes. Now, why you are using washing? Washing is a doing word because it is happening right now. My mom is washing, or my mom, yes. But if I'm going to talk about something that happened already, the mom already washed the clothes. So my mom washed my clothes yesterday. Right, see? So over here, first you wrote ing because you were talking about something which is happening right now. Later on, when you were talking about something which already happened, so you have written ed after this word, after at the end of the doing word. You understood? Okay. Okay, this word bake. My sister is baking a cake for me. My sister is baking a cake for me. I'm using baking because sister is doing the thing right now. Whereas my sister baked some cookies for me yesterday. See, now I'm talking about what she did before yesterday. So I have written baked. I'm talking about baked. My sister baked some cakes yesterday, or my sister baked some cookies for me yesterday. You understood the difference? Yes, class? Okay. Now, play and playing, I have already explained you how we are talking about the boys are playing in the ground. The boys played in the ground yesterday. Okay. Now I want you to take out your Nelson English book, page number 82. And what you are going to do here, like see, you can see endings in ing and ed endings. If something is happening now, the doing word often ends with ing. If something has happened already, the doing word often ends in ed, that I have already explained. Now complete these word sounds. Pour plus ing will become pouring. Pick plus ed will become pick. Now these are 8 of them. You are hardly going to take 5 minutes to complete this task. And I want you to complete it right now, and your time starts now. Alright, time is up. Let's check. Now the third, first and two we have already done. So the third one is walk plus ing becomes walking. Number 4, talk plus ed, talked. Number 5, watch plus ing, watching. Number 6, play plus ed, played. Number 7, jump plus ing, jumping. Number 8, lift plus ed, lifted. Now, these are the words that you were asked to complete. Now you have to tell me a sentence using these words. The first one is played. Come on, make a sentence of played. Very good. I played with my cousins in the park yesterday. Correct? Okay. I played with my cousins in the park yesterday. Or you can say, yesterday I played with my cousins in the park. Both ways are correct. Okay. Second one is talking. I'm talking with my friend on the phone. Correct? I'm talking with my friend, or I'm talking with my granny on the phone. Right. Okay. Or you can say, I'm talking with my cousin. I'm talking with my cousin right now. I'm talking with my cousin right now. Or I'm talking with my friends outside. Both are correct. Okay. So that means what you have learned today, can you summarize that in one sentence? You have learned how to add ing and ed after, at the end of doing word. Correct. Or you can say, in another word, how you can describe what you have learned? You have learned when to add ing and et at the end of the doing words. Correct. Both ways are correct. So I hope you must have understood, and you must have understood whatever we have done in the class today, and you will be able to do the homework which I'll be posting on portal. Okay, class? All right. So don't forget to revise whatever we have done throughout this whole week, because tomorrow you'll be having the class test. Okay, children. So bye bye. See you.